how we do it. It's like
What makes you an exception?
Hello, so project continues here. Now we fed up with the cage, so cage is almost done. Still need some bracing, but we fed up with welding this, so we started to make something more interesting, and we started to make wide body kit. Now we have these wheels here that comes out about 10 centimeters. We will widen the backs here, and actually Nico has already welded the other side quite nicely. I will show it to you, but in here I just want to tell you that the OEM body is intact. We do not make anything for it. As you can see from the other side here, we still have OEM dampening material there, and everything is OEM, but we widen the body from outside here. just weld this kind of piece here to get the inner side. Then we have, I just cut this piece later. Wow, damn it! With this kind of piece, just weld it here around, and then get the shape from the other side, and then widen it from up there to here, and it will look nice. Also, we have made this. Nico needs to weld these today. Then we are ending today. We put this, closed this, and took the rear wiper off, so we don't need it. Only we leave this because we want to have the backside open and closed. And here, as you can see, already a wide body kit. Now Nico has made a really good job with this. It is almost flawless from every side here. It has nice bend, no dents anywhere. And if I show it you from here, it is really nice and wide, and it blends. I think it blends, in my point of view, very nicely to the car. Now also we will be widening the front here. We will be having spacers. Actually, if you have any idea, we have the wheels are 4 times 108, and I think Punto is 4 times 98. So we need spacers or something to get the 20-30 millimeters out from the front, and we will be making rear axle completely ourselves. But we will be widening it here and probably making something there. Not sure, but the side panels will be connected. It is just taped down there, but it is starting to look really nice. And as I can show you from here, it is just not a simple sheet of steel. It is completely shut underneath here. So it is, I think this is very nicely done. We will be also making a inner side there, so we have everything completely shut. But this is just amazing. That panel there, we bend it on underneath there because this does not have anything underneath here. So we bend it and make another sheet of metal there. But it started to look really nice. What do you think? And why we are making this outside really quickly now is because we want this car into paint. What kind of paint do you like us to use? What color do you like us to make the car? Will it be black, yellow, red, or something very different? Please leave a comment, especially like and share the video. What kind of color will we be using? What kind of color scheme we are using in the car? I think I have not told that information for you, or perhaps I have, but leave a comment. And if you are a Photoshopper or something like that, try to make a Photoshop image of our car so we can just check it out how good it looks in the end. But so far so good. Project Zero continues. The roof is still we have holes and nothing is connected there because we fed up with the welding of the bracing. But now we are making a wide body kit and having really good time here. And when everything in here is done, we will start making closure again, yet again. Probably when